One of our graphic artists will check your artwork, making sure it is optimal for screen printing. Once art is processed, we create vellums, which are then sorted into order of color, and then we select the proper screens for it, using finer screens for finer details, wider meshes for open areas, which will then remove all the excess air and make sure that there is no light shining through the screen. It's exposed under ultraviolet light for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Once exposed, you wash out the screen using high pressure water, and then blow out any excess water with high pressure air to ensure that no water blocks the image. Then block off all the extra area using an average packing tape. Next, we register the screens, basing it on the provided artwork and your instructions. And then we'll do our first test print. All we have to do is simply ensure that the print will be good and the placement will be correct. First, lay it out, ensuring that it's completely flat and all other prints are dry. Then we'll quickly mix some ink, and we'll do our first print. Two slow, solid strokes. Ensure that there's no additional lint or any pinholes showing through, and then we'll spot dry it. After the shirt is spot dried, we'll run it through a full curing unit. And then, once the shirt is fully cured, that will ensure that it does not wash off, crack, or peel at all. And now, you have a finished sample. Next, we'll move on to automatic print presses. These computerized machines are highly sophisticated machines that are operated entirely on air pressure, using computers to ensure that everything is lined up and printed properly and in the proper order. It's a very simple machine to use, with the proper training, of course. The spot dryer is very similar, except using ultraviolet light, as opposed to standard convection heat processes. As before, you would run it through a full-size curing unit, and you would have a finished t-shirt.